Today we're going to unbox the Hurricane Spin Scrubber. Nathan Cox here, guys. Alright, so this is one of those as seen on TV products. Don't know how good it is. This is just an unboxing video, so I'm going to unbox it, show you what's in here. Directly at the end of this video, I'll have a link to my next video, which will be actually using it, setting it up and using it, okay? So this is one of those things you see at the checkouts, you know, at Walmart, whatnot. My mother-in-law got this for us. The idea is really great. You know, a little power wand, so when you're scrubbing the bathtub and the shower, stuff like that. So let's move the camera and come down a little closer and take a better look. Okay, so let's take a look at what we actually get here. Open the box up, very simple. Got some instructions. Looks like got some weird coupon stuff. Looks like it comes from the back side of those flyers in your newspaper. Alright, first item here, it looks like the extension wand piece. This, I'm sure, is the main power stick where the battery and stuff is located, because this is a rechargeable unit. We'll see more about that later. There's a place where you recharge it there. There's a silicone feeling cap there. So hopefully this is good to use actually if you're taking a shower, maybe. For those people that like to take, you know, clean while they're in there. Okay, looks like the actual power head. By the weight of it and the way those contacts are looking, I'm pretty sure this is where the actual motor is located. So there's no gear shaft or anything that connects all these different pieces together. They're just metal contacts. Okay, little bitty AC adapter. Alright, and then our 3 power heads that it comes with. So we got a big open brush. Okay, looks decent. Looks like a toilet brush, but not designed for the toilet cleaning. Although this probably would be cool to clean the toilet, but I don't know that I don't know. I may get ahead of myself there. And I guess this is like a little corner crevice type brush. Okay. Let's get all these stuff out of here. And kick this to the side. And there we go, guys. Pretty simple setup. Okay, so that's a pretty quick, simple video to show you what you get in the box. So let's move to the end of this video and wrap things up, okay? So like I said in the beginning, we're going to have some extra videos here at the end, which will be like setting it up and how to use, and maybe like a first use or review video eventually. Over here, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel, it helps out. Click on that bell, that gives you notifications when we put out new videos, which we're always trying to put out new videos to help you out around your home. Check out my website. Hundreds of all my videos, hundreds and hundreds of videos, all of them out there, organized really well so you can actually find them. And that's because there's also a few YouTube channels, not just this one. Guys and girls, thanks so much again, and you guys have a great one.